In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add answers to Microsoft Forms quiz. This process can significantly enhance your quizzes, making them more interactive and informative. Let's get started with the first step. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any search engine you prefer. Once the search results are displayed, look for the official Microsoft Forms link. It usually appears at the top of the results. Clicking on this link directs you to the Microsoft Forms homepage. This is an important first step because accessing the correct platform ensures you have the right tools at your disposal for creating your quiz. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you have a Microsoft account, enter your credentials. If not, you may need to create an account. Logging in is essential because it allows you to save your work and access your quizzes later. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Microsoft Forms dashboard, where you can see any existing quizzes or forms you have created. Open your existing quiz. If none is available, click the New Quiz button on the home dashboard to build a gradable assessment. This step allows you to either modify an existing quiz or create a new one from scratch. If you choose to create a new quiz, you will start with a blank canvas, perfect for designing your assessment. This flexibility is crucial as it enables you to tailor your quizzes to meet your specific needs. Now, click Add New and select Choice. This action opens up options for creating multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions are popular in quizzes because they provide clear, concise options for respondents. You will see a new question card appear, where you can begin to enter your question and possible answers. Type your question and enter all the possible answer choices. Hover your mouse pointer over the correct answer option. This is a critical part of the process as it sets the foundation for your quiz. Clear questions and answer choices enhance the quiz-taking experience for students. You want to ensure they understand what is being asked without confusion. Click the checkmark icon labeled Correct Answer that appears on the right side of that option text box. This action marks the selected option as the correct answer in your quiz. Doing this accurately is important because it establishes the scoring criteria for your quiz. You will notice that a checkmark appears next to the correct answer, confirming your selection. Enter a number in the points box at the bottom of the question card to assign a score value. This value indicates how many points the question is worth. Assigning points helps in determining the overall score a student can achieve, making it clear how each question contributes to their final grade. This small step can save you a lot of time later when calculating scores. If your choice question has more than one right answer, toggle the multiple answer switch to on at the bottom of the question block. This feature is particularly useful for quizzes that require multiple correct responses, such as identifying all the correct options in a scenario. Enabling this option ensures that all selected answers are considered correct, adding flexibility to your quiz design. Click the checkmark icon next to every option that must be selected for the question to be correct. This allows you to specify all correct answers clearly. As you select these options, you will see the check marks appear, confirming your choices. This clarity is vital as it helps prevent any confusion for respondents regarding what constitutes a correct answer. To add answers to text or short answer questions, click Add New and select Text. Type your open-ended question. This step allows you to gather qualitative data from your respondents. Open-ended questions can provide insights that multiple choice questions may not capture. You will see a text box where students can enter their responses. Next, click the plus Add Answer button located directly beneath the student answer field. This button enables you to specify possible correct answers for your open-ended question. By doing this, you enhance the assessment's accuracy and ensure that you can evaluate responses correctly. Finally, type the exact correct phrase or number. Click plus Add Answer multiple times if there are multiple acceptable variations or spellings of the correct answer. This flexibility allows you to accommodate different student responses while maintaining grading standards. This attention to detail ensures fairness in scoring and acknowledges the variety of ways students may express their knowledge. You are now equipped to add answers to your Microsoft Forms quiz effectively. Happy quizzing!